My video guide will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Search Genius. Search Genius. So that is the extension that currently attacks Google Chrome browser. I said attacks because the extension is often installed through its integration with some free applications. So people mainly download and install this extension pretty unintentionally. That's why it is also correctly classified as a potentially unwanted program that should be immediately removed from your computer. Now, speaking about the extension, it works as a browser hijacker because it changes your search settings to searchgeniusapp.com. Now, whenever you submit certain search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by this strange search engine srchgenius.com. And it doesn't matter what search queries you submit, you still get the results by this unfamiliar search engine. In fact, as for me, I don't see any results at all. I see some sponsored links, but no results. So if you are not happy with all such amendments into the way your browser operates, you need to get rid of the extension as soon as possible from your Google Chrome browser, or at least disable the extension. So, how to remove any third-party extensions like that? Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. So you'll find this extension, Search Genius. You may simply disable the extension, and you may also remove the extension entirely. After this has been successfully done, the problem should no longer reoccur, but I would recommend you to additionally investigate your system with a combo cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then start researching your computer with this program to make sure that it is free of any other hidden threats. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.